Lumens, your reliable partner.
This video will help you install the Lumens VC-TA50 auto-tracking camera. This video is broken down into 4 parts. This is what you need to get the most from your VC-TA50. As well as your camera, you will simply need a computer or the supplied remote controller. Here's a quick overview of the VC-TA50. VC-TA50 is an auto-tracking camera that runs intelligently without the need for a separate processor or tracking dongle. The camera smoothly tracks the individual you want to film. It's fully automated and very reliable and delivers great results. The user simply selects one of 3 tracking modes, the camera does the rest. First, this is the everywhere tracking mode. The second mode is stage tracking. And finally, there's partition tracking. What's the best position to install VC-TA50? For the best result, the camera should be installed around 8 meters from the subject. Ideally, the camera should be mounted at a height of 2.4 meters from the ground. Now let's see the VC-TA50 in action. To get started, just turn on the camera and press on. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.